to not do.
We have upgraded our rooms to
requested-
premium.
Go inside. Just look at this.
We could see the stunning hills and
Difficult to go tomorrow itself. Mango.
oh god, it's too cold.
1 week also leave after 1 week.
Oh god, would I miss this?
Hello guys. Good morning to everyone. So today is the first day of 2023. Happy New Year to everyone. So we are staying at montengo by TGI Group. So this is the hotel and this is the view. So come on, let's go to our room and let's do the room tour.
So I guess this is the best view in Ooty.
Yeah, and I was so
Very nice,
excited
yeah.
to see this property. It's really beautiful. Look at this. There are rooms both the sides. Look at the view. And our room is 202. Let's go.
So as we said, we have booked only the executive room.
Yes.
Since we said we have a channel and we are shooting for that, so they have upgraded our
And
rooms
we
to
requested
premium.
them to
Yeah,
upgrade our room, so they
have
upgraded our
upgraded to
room
premium.
the premium.
Premium is basically whichever are on the top,
Top.
right? Top side, yeah, these are all premium. Yeah, let's.
Come on, let's go. This is our room. Our room number is 202. Go inside. Woo! This is our room. And on left side we have a bed. This is our bed. We have a TV. And now here. So given water in the glass bottle. This is so good, right? RO water purifier. So we have 2 bottles and a vessel for the hot water. We have 2 cups. And they have given slippers, shower cap, comb, dental kit. There are 2 dental kits and there is a shaving kit also. And there is a cover. So you open this, they have given a locker and this is how the cupboard looks like. This is the bathroom. I have given 2 mirrors here. So the best part of the room I'll show in the end. So this is the window.
Because they have to carry that. No,
Yeah, to carry
things, right?
It will be.
Because there are many houses in the down, right? So
They have provided this as a complimentary for us. The fruits and snacks. This is a table. There are 2 chairs. And there is one more window here and the other window is here. There are like 3 windows and the best part is the balcony. Ooh. Just look at this. Look at the view.
once you enter the balcony, cold breeze starts.
Yeah, this is so. It's really cold here. Ooty is called as the Queen of Hills. So you can see there are like so many hills here, like surrounded to our hotel room. So it's a huge balcony actually. This is not tiny. It's a good start for our new year.
It's a memorable New Year start.
Yeah. We hope that we will be traveling like this and we will be staying in a beautiful hotels. And we will also show it to you, all of you guys. This is
Yeah,
how-
over the year we'll explore.
Yes.
ಮೇ ಬಿ ನೈಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿ ಇದೆ. ವಾವ್, ಸಿ ಹರ್ ದ ವ್ಯೂ. ನೈಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. This was the vehicle they are using for the transportation of
things from down to up and
like these are the rooms.
up down.
Like there are so many rooms.
I think they will put a campfire here the night. Got it as a complimentary. Ooty's special snacks. Nice.
This is the most memorable moment of our stay at montengo by TGI in Ooty. As the sun began to set, my partner and I decided to spend some quality time in our balcony. I prepared some hot coffee and we sat back to enjoy the beautiful evening view. The cool breeze was blowing and it was the perfect temperature for a warm drink and some good conversation. The view from our balcony was simply breathtaking. We could see the stunning hills and valleys of our Western Ghats in the distance, and the sun was casting the warm golden light over the landscape. It was a perfect setting for a romantic evening, and we spent over an hour and a half just taking it all in. As we sipped our coffee and nibbled on our snacks, we talked about all sorts of things from our travels to our future plans. It was a moment of pure relaxation and quality time, and I will cherish it for the long time to come.
Night view. Hardly anything visible, but still it's too cold. We are just freezing. Made some decorations on the plants. This is floor -1. Oh.
We have a big mirror here.
Okay. Oh, nice. This is what I wanted. Oh.
There is a massage.
Then it is very difficult to go tomorrow itself.
Massage chair. And oh god, this is
Ludo.
Ludo. And
Your
okay,
game.
there is
Your game.
this
Snake
is
and
my
ladders.
Snake and ladders.
Carrom.
This is our game.
This is Legends. This is mine. Let me play. Don't act. Play. Do you know how to play?
Yeah.
One tip.
I know.
You can't take
It's okay to play.
What is this? I wanted to stay because of this TT, but this girl doesn't know how to play.
I don't have any practice today.
You have to hold like this. Red. Forward.
So we played here maybe for 30 minutes. ಆಟಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಾಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬರೋದೇ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಆಟಾಡಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ವಿ.
Guess what is it? Mancha soup. How is it? You haven't had it?
It's hot
It's hot.
and it's nice.
Look at the view from here. It's not that visible in the camera, but it is spectacular.
And look at the dining hall.
Okay guys, we got one information. So there is down, they will put a campfire, but we thought it is on the demand. I mean, if anybody has one campfire, then only they'll put, we thought, but that is not the case. So they will put campfire from 7:30 to 8:30, so it's for free. But we didn't know actually, we missed it. If you guys are coming, please make sure we'll be there in the town at 7:30.
Actually, we wanted to go there and sit for some time.
Would have enjoyed actually.
Yeah.
Campfire, right? And
Yeah,
then
we were
that
actually
too-
waiting for them.
Correct. That too, it was too cold. So we were just wrapped ourselves in the bed sheet inside the room and we were sitting. Oh, sorry, sleeping. We have ordered kulcha. Only plain kulcha is available here. I mean,
is
butter kulcha.
And dal tadka.
Dal tadka. Guess what it is? I think anyone can guess it as not orange. Orange won't be this much thick. Anyone can guess it as mango. Mango. Looks like a mango juice, right? But it is not. It's papaya.
What a joke, man.
It's not a joke. This looks like mango.
Yeah. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಬ್ಬನಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ದರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೈಕ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರಿಂದ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್. Oh God, it's too cold. Can't even step out of the room.
Morning view from our hotel balcony. The reception. Here they have snooker. So the down ones are the hotel rooms where we are staying. This is the play area that they have. This is nice actually. We haven't seen in any hotel. So we have visited many 3-star or 5-star hotels, but we haven't seen a play area like this. This is nice. Yeah. These are 3-star. Still, they have this play area. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್
It's already like 12:20.
balcony view. But yeah, if we are staying 1 week also, we have to leave after 1 week.
Yes, unless we have to go back to our home. That's the reality. But we are going to miss this view and this place. This was too good for us, right? We spent really a good day.
Good day, good time.
Yeah, good time.
Steep actually.
Yeah.
Steps are steep.